This is a video going over how I made my weighted shifter knob. I started out with a toe ball, which I removed from the toe ball hand, whatever you call that part there. I used a truck lug nut remover to remove the big nut there on the back of the toe ball. It pretty much just increases the torque like crazy, so you don't have to really put that much force into it to get it out. It does take a long time though. This is a close-up. You spin it fast, then it moves slowly, and slowly but surely you can get the nut out. This is what it looks like, and it weighed 827 grams with the thread included, but now I'll remove the thread. Now that the threaded part was cut, I put it into the drill press, mind the lack of safety equipment, and I started drilling the holes that corresponded to the width of the thread and the shoulder width of the shifter arm. I used a 12mm drill bit to go all the way through, and then I went over it with a 14mm drill bit, which corresponds to the width of the shoulder of the shifter arm. But the 14mm I only went through about 2 to 3 centimeters, while the 12mm went through the whole way. Now that all the holes were drilled, I had to tap it. Most shifter arms in cars have an M12 by 1.25 threading. So I bought that tap, and I went through and tapped it. The technique that I used was going about 180 degrees and then going back a quarter of the way, just to clear the new thread that was created, and every so often cleaning up the hole and lubricating a little bit. With the shift knob now complete, all the threading complete, all the drilling complete, I tested it onto the shift arm and it fit perfectly. And this is me taking it out for a drive. In the video you can't really see, or you can't really feel how easy it is to put it into gear and how smooth it is. You might be able to see how smooth it is. It definitely made the riding experience a lot smoother and shifting into gears a lot smoother. So there you go. There's the towable shifter, weighted shifter knob. It definitely does need a bit of a polish, and when you use it you get a bit of rust on your hands, but I'll fix that with a clear coat of some kind. But it makes the ride a whole lot better, and I'm happy with it. These are just some shots of the car, its interior, with some LED lights on the interior, and some pictures of the exterior as well.